Hi everyone, Kurt Vonderhaar from Cheetah Mobile Device Repairs. We are your 5-star rated cell phone and tablet repair store, 2 convenient locations in the St. Louis metro area in Collinsville, Illinois and Highland, Illinois. About 2 years ago, I had a bad experience getting my cell phone repaired, and I had an idea and thought I should use my marketing and business background and open my own cell phone repair store. However, I didn't know how to fix cell phones and tablets. So I landed down at Cellbotics and Nicole and went down there to South Carolina for 1 week of training. Not only did I have an absolutely awesome experience during my 5 days of training, the follow-up afterwards and any questions, any feedback, anything that I might need related to the business, I've been able to ask Nicole, and she has been an absolute great resource. So I give Nicole Russell and Cellbotics 2 thumbs up from Kurt Vonderhaar at Cheetah Mobile Device Repairs. Thanks.